Just be given a comfortable seated position, knees 90 degrees, feet at 12 o'clock, firmly grounded to the floor, hands on your thighs. Take a deep breath in, exhale, hug your right knee to your chest, grab the sides of the right foot and then stretch it forward slowly and so that you can stretch it fully, gazing towards your toes. Ordinarily, Heron pose is practiced with the opposite foot bent, tucked under, closer to your bum. But this is not accessible to a lot of people. But when you're using the chair, you can easily pull stance like this, bow the head to the knee, kiss your knee. You can grab even the heels. But the idea, just try to keep the spine straight as much as possible, feeling that amazing stretch on the entire foot. And then gently release by bending that foot and then release it down. So you're ready for the opposite side. So left leg, ground your sitting bones, find your balance first, then grab the outer edges of the left foot and then gently straighten that foot forward and so that you can straighten it fully towards the sky. And then so that you can bow towards that knee, kiss that knee, and then you want to straighten your spine just to find the full stretch. And then you want to stay here for 3 to 4 breaths. So the beauty with the chair version of this posture is that there is no strain on the knees, the hips and the ankles that you can get in the original pose. Also, you're not like really overstretching the hands, because ideally we normally interlace or bind our hands on the stretched foot. One last deep breath in, gently release the posture, then find your ground in sitting pose. Let's seal our class with one deep breath. Empty. Namaste.